roll forms. This one will need to be played for the audition. The beginning starts out with a 2-beat check pattern of just plain 16th notes, and then you notice the double slash on the first 16th note of the beat. So you're going to play a double stroke there. And again, it's not a bounce double. We're going to actually play both strokes, just like we did on the dedups. So that first measure, just to give you an idea how this works, 1 E and 2 E and then the next measure it moves over 1/16 to the E, and then the next measure another 16th to the and then the fourth measure another 16th to the of the beat. In the second line we have 2 doubles hooked together. So you'd have 1 E and 2 E and again that moves over a 16th and then moves over another 16th. The last measure of that is actually a 17-stroke roll check pattern where you have the 2 beats and then 2 beats of doubles to finish out the measure. So I'll play that first half for you, the single, double, and the 2 doubles. Just the first 2 lines, roll forms. 1 E and 2 E and ready, go. Okay, so that's the first 2 lines. The third line has 3 doubles in a row, so we get a 7-stroke roll, and then there's only 1/16 to move it over to, so you have one measure where it moves over a 16th note, and then we have a full measure of check pattern, and then a measure of tap 15s. So that line, slow, just so you can kind of hear the progression. 1 E and 2 E and ready and go and. I'll start that again. 2, ready and go and. Okay, and then the last line, probably the most important line, it's a good one to just use by itself if you're just needing to warm up a little bit or want to work on your double stroke rolls. The last line of roll forms is the best warm up part of it, in my opinion. I use it a lot just by itself as a warm up. So it's just a regular check pattern, 4 on, 4 off. And then he goes to 8 on, 8 off, and 16 on, 16 off with the double strokes coming in and out. So that last line, you have 4 regular, 4 double. And then 8. And then 16. So it's just a good progression. It's a good warm-up. It's works on 9 strokes, 17 stroke rolls, all those good things. So that last line by itself, ready and go E and Okay, so now all of roll forms straight down. Let's do it at a nice medium tempo. Again, take it slower, faster, whatever works comfortable for you. And slow and clean is better. All right, here we go. 1 E and 2 E and ready, go. And that's roll forms. That's one of the ones you'll need to record for the audition.